Whitworths Marine and Leisure.
It's time to go check out the Whitworths shop so that we can get our boat on. Woo, let's go.
So you got some anchors over jerry can. Yeah. Compasses. Do you want to be a master sexton? I gotta say, I love the logo. Sailor Man, like Popeye, a captain. He's got everything. He's got his fenders, he's got his oars, he's got his steering wheel. He's raring to go, this dude.
Oh, there's a dinghy. Aquacraft. Toilet.
Look at that. You can imagine sitting on that baby. Look at that. Alright, starting off in the back now, we can see there's more seating to be played with. The range, you got cushions, that's useful. And these are the stools, the legs for the seats. Pretty much get yourself sorted. So we've got something here, a seat, clamp and swivel, $34.95. Yeah, that's what you want. Actually wants it. It's a seat, clamp and swivel. Oh, this is the manual toilet. So some of the boats actually had this. I think it was the Antares 7 maybe. It's one of these twist and locks.
I remember seeing that.
Ones, yeah, so you need to like pump it up.
How much is it?
Yeah, $479.95. Oh, you're gonna love this section.
Show me.
So you.
Cleaning. Ooh, I need some brushes. This is extended brush scrub pad kit. Oh, pool and bathroom scrubber. We do have these actually, and we do have this, but you always need a second one. Oh, this is the one we saw in Rotec Marine. $24 here. Huh. Let's get cleaning. Fender.
How you like my cojones? Got big cojones now. I guess maybe this is a bit more responsible for me.
It's a bit too big, isn't it? You've even got rope for $62.
Dude, they got fenders over here.
Oh, fender too.
I want to get.
You need a fender.
I want to get the slim ones. These ones, yeah. $23.
How much? $23.
I want to see if there's a smaller one. Or maybe I can just get some foam, put it at the end of the pontoon.
Like a pool noodle.
Yeah.
But a thicker one, thicker version.
Right.
Wow.
I think if you just get a second one of these, I'll be all set. You know what I'm saying? So you got some anchors over here. Got some bolts, nuts, that kind of stuff. Ropes.
Oh, we've got lots of rope.
Rope.
Here. 20 meters of rope, 20 mils, actually different sizes. So 20 mils, 24 mils, 24 mils. Rope galore. If you need any rope, which we're going to need.
And it's silver rope. Jerry cans, life jackets, we need some of that because they were expired.
Gosh, a map.
Actually, that's actually something we need. How much is it?
$37.
I think it's worth it.
Okay, yeah. It's
Well, where else can you get a map?
you get?
Yep. Gonna need all of these books. VHF, need to learn that. Sounder, need to learn that. Yachtmaster, need to learn that. Sailing, need to learn that. Mad Men, I think I already know that. Loads of stuff to get. How's it going with the maps?
The Gold Coast one. Maybe it's sold out. This is like.
Yeah, we are in the Gold Coast, so maybe everyone's bought that already.
Yeah, maybe they don't need it because they know everything already.
Good point. Cleaning stuff. We got cleaning stuff. Salt remover, de-salt, a fuel filter, oil extractor. You got hoses.
Get hoses. What is that? Is that an oar?
Yeah, oars over here. Really nice wooden ones with the sheen on it.
That looks nice.
Plastic ones, I get to do your kayaking or company party school. And compasses. So there you go.
Oh,
If your compass fails, you can get one of these. All different compasses. This one looks fancy. Gold one.
Oh, wow.
Like a pirate ship.
Oh my God, these are so cool. First aid kit. You definitely need a first aid kit. A recreational boating first aid kit. This is so important. It contains everything. It contains amputated parts bags. What the
That's scary.
doing on the boat? Let's just walk over from there.
Yeah, those are good.
Grab rails.
Are these the hooks you've been after?
Well, they're really long. No, they don't look like hooks.
One thing about the shop is it has everything. It's not just like a little bit. It's literally every hour. It's nice. Do you want to be a master sexton, eh? What are you doing on that?
You're so immature. You even got wood. There's even wood here if you need to do your trims for your boat. And buy some wood. And buy some of these steel sound insulation tape. I do like the plates.
Cup holders.
Is that a bell? Dinner's ready. Meow.
I guess some of them are gas. Some of them would be electric. Alright guys, we just made it live out Whitworths and we got the best thing you can get. Check it out. We got ourselves the Bolt magazine. We got ourselves the Whitworths catalog. Look at that. Look how much pages. 204 pages of deals. This is a steal. And we also got a float. We're gonna probably need this to stay afloat. So we're gonna make a list and come back. Let us know what you guys thought of this amazing marine extravaganza.
I thought the shop was cool. It seemed quite expensive, but I think maybe that's just the price of these marine products anyway. You're gonna have a lot of money to own a boat. Oof.
Maybe wait until the sales. You gotta
Yes.
like shop around.
Yeah, I think maybe like these shops were probably like in the past they used to have them and they used to really like them, but now maybe people go online. But I still value going into a shop and viewing the products. Yeah, it's quite cool.
I think some places you need to go to these shops for some items. You won't find them online.
True.
So it's good.
There you go.
So you got some anchors over jerry can. Yeah. Do you want to be a master sexton, eh?